she's talking about. Said the hunt was dark and the stranger was light, but his face was never in plain sight. Whoa, my daddy, he went south, down the river and out the mouth. Said the ocean is as wide as the river's long. Yeah, twice as wide again, my son. I said Beelzebub, Beelzebub, show him my heart, my heart, my heart, my heart. My baby, she went south, down the doctor's house. Said she got a spell and she paid fair price. But that doctor's a friend of mine. Whoa, my brother, he went south, kept on running till his final hour. Said the day our judgment is drawing near. You got to say it so the Lord can hear. I said Beelzebub, Beelzebub.
Cleaning the bench again and again.
Sorry, you still talking?
I love the sound you make when you shut up.